has returned to the desert.
There it is, just like the legend said.
Jack, look at these gears. Get over here.
By God, Emma, this is it. World traveler. We just found a mechanical monster buried in the desert. Keep pushing it, Emma. The sand is loose.
I've got it, Jack. Just need to clear this section.
Hard.
This sand is endless.
Almost there. Almost there. Secure the shackle tight.
We've got it! It's moving! Yes, yes, we did it! Secured?
Looks good. Let's move.
Engine on.
Engine on. We're rolling. Back it up. Slowly. Keep going. Good. Stop. Crane's engaging. Lift. Move it left. Lowering now. Steady, steady. Secure. This is the biggest restoration of our lives.
The details on this thing are insane. Keep it steady. Slowly.
It's moving. Good.
Needs more force. Watch your balance, Emma.
Jack, be careful with that. Always am. Let's get these out before any more fall. We have to strip it down to the bare bones. Certain.
Right.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. All right. That should do it. Now let's see what's holding it up. The entire drive system is completely seized up. Keep your eyes open. This place is old.
Found something.
God, this thing is heavy. Be careful, don't break the leg more than it already is. I'm trying. Keep your eyes open. This place is old.
Found something.
Keep it steady, Emma. Right with you, Jack. This oxidation is tough, but the copper underneath is incredible. Under all that rust, it's literally made of pure copper and brass.
Structural integrity is back to 100%.
Tightening this could take a while.
Tightening this could take a while.
Keep packing it in. Doesn't need to look pretty, just hold.
The mechanical heart is beating smoothly again.
Okay, ready? Let's bring it down.
Carefully.
Push it in. Harder. Almost there. Got it. Keep going. Hit it hard. Got it. Perfect. It locks. Finally.
The legs of the beast are back. It's literally glowing like a massive jewel.
Here you go, carefully now.
Got it. It fits perfectly.
It's a rolling palace. Almost there. Watch out. Lower it slowly, watch the clearance.
Almost there, a little more. Got it.
Perfect, stop.
Locked in?
Yes, great work.
All right, this is it. It has to be perfect.
Just slide it right in, hold the angle steady.
The Leviathan has its face back.
It's breathing! The monster is alive!
Engage the primary drive.
Engaging.
Status.
The command center is ready.
All right, these lanterns are perfect.
Looking good, Jack. These gears are almost ready to turn.
America! America!
Almost there. Yes.
Just a little tighter.
Perfect. Every single piece is perfect.
Pressure is maxed! We are rolling! The Leviathan has returned to the desert.